I'm Dr. Heather Staples, Pediatric Pulmonology at Prisma Health. I grew up in Florida. I did most of my education there, including medical school at Florida State. I did my residency here in Columbia at Prisma Health, and then went on and did my pulmonology fellowship at Texas Children's in Houston. Pediatric pulmonology is a specialty that focuses on children who have a variety of issues with their lungs. So it could be anything from asthma to premature babies who struggle with different aspects of their breathing. It could be children who have a tracheostomy and are dependent on a ventilator. It could be children with cystic fibrosis or pulmonary hypertension, or even children who come to us with chronic cough that they're not sure what the cause is. So my first exposure to pediatric pulmonology was as a third-year medical student. I was assigned to a continuity clinic in a cystic fibrosis clinic, and I just fell in love with the patients and the care of cystic fibrosis patients. And at the end of that year, I just decided there was no way I could continue doing medicine without staying in that field. I serve as the director of our Cystic Fibrosis Center, and also the director of our Therapeutic Development Center that is part of the Therapeutic Development Network for the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation. That is one of my passions within pulmonology, and it is a growing part of our pulmonology division here. It is really a special aspect of pediatric pulmonology, and really a fantastic way that we care for our patients here at Prisma Health. I really try to meet our patients where they're at. There are so many different places that our patients are coming from. Some of our parents and patients really struggle to meet the expectations that they feel like we have for them. So I really try to ask them what barriers that they find in getting their medications either from the pharmacy or taking them with the regimen that we've asked them to meet. So my biggest goal is finding what we can do to work together to help them meet their health goals and to help keep them out of the emergency room, out of the hospital, and find ways that we can keep them as healthy as possible. So I am an avid Peloton rider, so I love to ride my bike. I enjoy spending time with my family. I have 3 children, but also extended family in the area, so we like to spend a lot of time getting up to Fort Mill to spend time with them. But I just like to be active and find new ways to be busy. To make an appointment with me, please ask your primary care provider to make a referral.